We're here, new job. We've got a pretty sizable demo to do here. I think it's about 600-700 square feet. So we got a dumpster coming, should be here hopefully any minute now, and get all of this out of here. We got footings going in 2 days. So we're just trying to get this prepped for them, get it all cleared out, and we might have some rain coming. So that's why we're here a little bit early, day early, just to make sure we knock this out and we don't have any issues with helical install. So it's gonna be a nice blank slate here pretty soon. This is where we get all of our tricks from, of how we build stuff, is from Demo. They got the best ideas. Come check this out. How many times do you cut a joist too short? What, 50% of the time? Exactly. Check this out. Cut a little too short? No problem. Just put a scab in there. Your nails will still barely go into there, but it's fine. Pretty genius. As crazy as a lot of this stuff is that we find on older builds, it held up pretty good. So it always makes me feel better that the way we build it, we're not gonna have any issues. Everyone on the internet's like, oh, it's gonna fall apart. I see stuff like this all the time, and it's been here, I don't know, 30 years. It held up pretty good. It was ready to go, but it held up pretty good. Anyway, yeah, a lot of demo. What do you think? Think this is gonna be cool?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Oh, my hip just popped.
Like an old lady.
I was trying to kick it like a transition.
So we finished up all the demo yesterday. You can see we've got pretty much a blank slate now. I'll show you a couple things we got going on that we need to address before helical piles go in. So we've got this area all cleared out. Our deck is gonna be a little bit bigger, and you see we're dealing with the grade of the yard here. Pool is obviously elevated quite a bit, and our deck's gonna be bigger, so we need a footing right around here, and we've got two right here. So I need to get a lot of this base out of here, moved around, so that we can get our pile installed at the correct elevation. So we've also got another dumpster here for some concrete, so I'm gonna start loading this up. We've also got concrete slab we didn't really know was there, and we've got a pile going right in the middle. So I'm gonna work on getting most of this stuff out and get us at the very least prepped for tomorrow with our helical install. So got the skid steer here, and we're about to get to work. Let's go. Out the jackhammer for this slab. It's about 8 inches thick, so anytime we find a concrete slab, it's like, why can't it just be a 4-inch slab? It's always got to be like an 8-10 inch slab. So breaking it up a little bit, and then we'll be able to get it in that dumpster. So let's go. Hi. What song is that?
I have no idea.
Light my fire. Were you singing that earlier?
There's a drip of water on the lens of this. It looks cool on the camera. Can you get it? Not with your finger, dude.
That's better. All right. Well, we are here. we're here. We're spraying out our footings. We got everything excavated yesterday. Nice clean blank slate here. And we have 13 piles going in, so we got to mark those out. The only two that are very critical are this one, and there's another one in that corner that are going directly underneath of our beam that extends out from the house. So that needs to be right on layout. Everything else is going to have a cantilever and an offset, so these two, very particular. We got this one right here, right where we want it. And yeah, spray out the rest of them and get the piles in, and we'll be good to go. Framing right away. Let's go.
So what are we building here?
We're building a pretty sizable deck structure. We got a patio going in. Total refresh of this backyard. We've got a 400 square foot structure, so we've got a lot of precise loads that need to be accounted for here. So engineers do all that for us. We have an architect draw up the plans and then send it over to engineer to spec what type of piles we need and what location, what torque they need to be installed to, so we can make sure this thing is locked in for justice. Kids these days, they won't get off their damn phones. You know what I'm saying? We are getting old, huh?
Yeah. And you saw a bird come out of it.
Mm-hmm. No, go in it.
Yesterday, I helped a box turtle across the road.
I got a Peloton. All right, we got all our piles sprayed out. What do you think? Couple hours?
Yeah, looks good.
Thank you.
Light work.
Thank you. Appreciate it. No one ever says that to me.
You're doing a great job.
Oh, thanks so much. Appreciate that.
We appreciate you.
Premier Outdoor Living for President. 2020. When did we vote again? 2028, right?
Yeah. Cool.
Are we
Midterm.
still doing elections?
A rat that's been like floating in the river that's like wet and like bloated. That's exactly what it looks like.
There's one at this very moment inside my pool filter.
Oh, disgusting.
Yeah.
You didn't get it?
I didn't get it yet, no. Let's get these piles. Oh wait, I got two more to spray out over here. Woo! 13 piles. Let's get it. We'll be 20 inches down from the door threshold.
Okay.
So if you want to set them like 2 inches below that, so we can spin them up,
Yep.
that'd be perfect.
Your lumber is 20 inches down?
Lumber and decking will get us to 20.
Okay.
So yeah, if we can have them at like 22, just have a little bit of flex,
Yep.
a little bit of flexibility, we can spin them on up. That would be great, sir.
Good.
Thank you, sir.
Of course, sir.
Thank you for your service. All right, we're good. So just got a call from the footing installers, and there's water coming out of the ground. Not what we expected. We had a mark out done. I don't know what it is yet, but I'm almost there and going to try to get to the bottom of this and number one, get the water turned off. So not what I was hoping for today, but here we are. This is just part of the biz, so Let's hope we can get this water turned off quick, figure out what's going on. Wish us luck. Well, plot twist in the video. All right, so let's see what we can do here. First thing I'm gonna do here is shut off their irrigation. I don't know why the irrigation would go through the house, but maybe it does. Try and turn this. Of course, this is like super old and rusted, but we'll see if that does anything. Tried shutting off the well. That's for the irrigation. That didn't work. Township's coming out and shut off the water at the street, and then we'll just have to fix it.
World's craziest water line route to get in the house.
I know. It's all the way at the back of the house. I've never seen anything like this, so figures. Number one priority, get the water turned off, and then dig it out and get it repaired. So we'll get an emergency service out here to get this patched up so they have water in the house, but not the best start. Not the best start. I really thought it was gonna be like a geyser coming out though, so that's good. It's not that. Township's here. Let's get it done. What's happening? Got a little lake happening in the backyard, so.
All right. So you just need that water off out here, or?
Yeah.
All right.
You guys don't fix the main, do you? Back there?
No.
No?
No, we're responsible from here to the main.
Okay. So once I get it fixed, then just call you guys back to turn it back on?
Yep.
Okay. All right, cool. So, Township's still here. They got to dig all the way down to the valve box because the valve wasn't working, and we still got water flowing. Chris threw the bucket on here. He's going to help dig it out, and then we'll just need to get a plumber here. So, it's a nice thing about making YouTube videos is this wasn't an YouTube video. This would just be a day. But now it's good content. So look on the bright side, right?
All right, well, just hold tight and we'll see if the water stops. It's still pushing pretty good.
There you go. That looks like it's dropping.
It looks pretty good. Hold it right there. Yeah, it looks like it's off. Yep.
Beautiful. I'll at least bail it out. You're already doing enough to help.
Oh, great. It's just super.
Mmm.
Oh, yeah. The scrap bucket has no holes in the bottom.
Oh,
Do
okay.
you mind grabbing the scrap bucket?
Yeah.
I mean, like, I could backstroke, side stroke, doggy paddle all day.
I tried joking with the township guy and said, well, I'm going to talk to the clients to see, do they really need water in the house? He's like, well, they definitely do.
Tough crowd out
Yeah. We don't joke about water around here. All right. All right, we're almost deep enough. Now this is training.
Yep.
This is literally teaching you to dig deep.
Yeah. There it is.
Found it.
You gonna dig out some of it with your bucket?
Yeah.
That was to be expected.
All right, all dug out. Plumber showed up real quick, cut off a little piece of that. He's gonna go get some fittings and should be back in action pretty soon here, so hopefully we'll have the water back on very quickly. And then I already got skid steer here, so I can just backfill this hole and be like it never happened. I just ran out to, I had to give Nick his truck back. I jumped in that when I heard the main was broken, so plumbers are back already. Hopefully they got what they need and we'll get the water back on in a second, so let's see. What's happening?
Hey, what's going on?
How you guys making out?
Not too bad, getting it.
You guys alright with being on a YouTube video?
Yeah, no doubt.
Alright.
Right on.
Beautiful.
Just like that.
Yeah, it's like it never happened. And what kind of fitting is that? What is that called? A Mac fitting?
Yeah, McDonald's.
McDonald. All right.
Not McDonald's.
A McDonald.
And the main's on, so.
Yeah, so it's pressurized. This line is pressurized. So
Turn on the hose.
I remember you were saying you wanted to double check if there's any other issues. So we would see some kind of like water bubbling up or something right now. It would definitely be like, you'd see the water trickling out of somewhere. Yep. So I don't, so far I don't see anything, so I'm pretty confident this is looking good.
Looks dry.
That's a success.
My man right here. Got it done.
Got it done.
All things considered, it's about as smooth as it could go.
I'd say
Fixed
so.
before the end of the day.
Before 4th of July, I'd say
Yep.
Worked out.
There they go. Just like that. It's all fixed up. For running into a water main, going into the house, it's about as smooth as it could have went. Could have been, you know, not great. Doing this huge project, basically one of the first days here, hitting the water line, going into the house, but stuff like that happens. You can only, roll with it and just make sure you get it fixed as quick as possible. So, not the call I was expecting to get today, but we got it and just go into fix it mode. And especially with it being a holiday weekend, I want to make sure we got this thing fixed, buried again, and with a little bit of a detour, we are good to proceed. So stay tuned. This project is going to be a really cool one. We got a lot of cool details happening and we're going to be here for a while. So make sure you hit subscribe, stay tuned, and until next time, this has been Premier Outdoor Living.